What's up, guys? Make sure you're winning in crypto and not losing. What's up, guys? How you doing today? It's Sunday. Pretty nice day today. A little muggy out here in California. Sun's not out so much today, but hey, you know, it's California. Weather changes dramatically at different times. All right, so let's get into this video. First thing we have is understanding how to or where to store your crypto once you have purchased your crypto. All right, so the first two wallets I recommend setting up is one or either you have your MetaMask, and the other would be the Trust wallet. So these two wallets are the ones that I recommend highly to store crypto if you're beginning to invest. Obviously not as a intermediate investor where you would have quite a bit more of assets stored within these wallets. I believe that these wallets should only be utilized to make small purchases and to start to build your portfolio, to give you an understanding of how these wallets store your crypto. The cool thing about these wallets and the reason why they're highly recommended is because of the security systems that they have in place to protect your crypto. Also, the cool thing about it is that you can actually set these up off of your Chrome web stores. These are Chrome. They do have Chrome extensions for both MetaMask and the Trust wallet. So you'd essentially add those to your Chrome extension and go in and follow the directions pretty much on setting these up. If you want, you could go to metamask.io or trustwallet.com and go ahead and navigate through their website. All right, so I'm not gonna go ahead. I already have mine downloaded. Sui wallet, of course, as well. I have used MetaMask on Chrome extension, and it seems to work very well. Just make sure that you guys have your security stuff set up on your Chromebooks or your MacBooks. All right. So the first thing you want to do is go download the wallet that you choose to store your crypto in, and then you'll be prompted to set up your wallet, which is gonna actually have some stuff that you have to verify, and then you will go into setting your key phrases. These key phrases are very important to have. Number one, if you lose these phrases, you will not be able to access your wallet. If you, for any reason, something goes down with your computer, or I don't know, something just happens where you need to get into your wallet and access your wallet, you'll have these seed phrases and you will need to know them. Generally, people either write them down and put them in a safe, go to Walmart and buy a little $10.99 or $20 safe, whatever the cost is, I don't know, and then store your seed phrases in there. It's a very critical thing that you do that in order to keep your crypto safe. Okay, so this is MetaMask. MetaMask has a lot of variety of different tokens that you could add to it, different chains, different blockchains. I know, for example, it has Ethereum, BNB, Arbitrum, Clayton has all kinds of different blockchains that you could get onto to buy and store crypto. Now you can purchase crypto within these wallets. There are different variety of vendors in there that you could purchase crypto on and use their platforms to buy crypto. But again, the cost of purchasing and transactions may be a little high versus going onto a platform and or an exchange and purchasing crypto and transferring it within wallets. The cool thing about Trust Wallet is it has some new Web3 things that came up for it. You can stake within inside the Trust Wallet different tokens that allows. Trying to see. Sorry, should have been more prepared. But yeah, you can stake within these wallets. And again, like I said, these are wallets that you're just going to be starting out with. Nothing you want to be utilizing long term, especially as your portfolio starts to increase. I want to keep a lot of money within these wallets, basically because you want to keep huge investments and bigger investments somewhere more on a safer platform, which I'll jump into right now. So as you start to get a little more knowledgeable behind crypto and you start to invest a little bit more money into crypto, and then you start wanting to protect your assets and put them inside something that's a little more, I guess, safer to keep, a little bit safekeeping. You could actually come here to the 5 best hardware wallets on bestreviews.com, and it will actually bring up 5 different cold storage wallets. All right, so basically what when they reference cold storage wallets, it's talking about taking your crypto from being on an exchange or from being inside a wallet. These are connected. These are actually connected within the blockchain, and they're online, and these are basically taking your tokens offline and having them set aside so they can't get hacked. Now there's things that have just came up. I don't know if I don't want to get too much in detail on it, but Ledger is actually one of the better best devices that I actually think personally you could make your own decision based on that, looking up these different cold storage wallets. But Ledger is pretty good. I've had it for quite some time, and I think it's actually a real safe place to keep your crypto. All right, so there was some chatter that recently came out about these things that have been there were opportunities to get into these wallets, but it has to do with the way that things are set up and the way that you set things up, right? So I mean, if you're somebody that if you can trust yourself to store your seed phrases or passwords into a place where that you know that it's going to be there forever, or whatever strategies you use to keep those seed phrases safe, and you're pretty responsible about it, there's no need to worry about having other utilities assigned to your wallet to be able to retrieve information. Now I have seen some other videos on some things that came up about like card storage wallets and stuff like that, which I've seen that I mean personally I think they're pretty good, but All in all, I mean, the risk is pretty low on getting your money hacked. A lot of times we give away money or we lose money based off of decisions that we make, and not paying attention to transferring money or transferring crypto from one wallet to the next. So I would take a look at these top 5. Personally, I like the Ledger Nano X. They have the Nano S. Actually, I'll pull up their website, and it's pretty cool. You could kind of go through here, and it gives you an idea of how these things work, some of the services, the different types of functionality that you can do on the Ledger. I really enjoy using this. I think that it's for me pretty much. I'm still super confident on it, even though there's been like I said, some chatter about things that possibly have came up for individuals to be able to get into these wallets, but it just depends which one you have and the way you set it up and how you keep your information stored. So let's look at the Nano S Plus. All right, so Ledger is such a cool. There's a lot of like I said, there's a cool website, a lot of information. You could actually look at the functionalities of the Ledger, how to use it, how to import it, how to restore different tools on how these things operate, which is pretty cool. So I recommend that you look into getting one of these ledgers, or like I said, do your own research. Check out the ones they have available on the other on the website, and go ahead and make your decision based on that. But again, this is not something that you want to jump into right away. Learn how to navigate through like Trust Wallet and MetaMask. Get an understanding on how to transfer crypto from wallet to wallet before you jump into something a little more technical like this. But again, this is for intermediate investors, or if you just want to jump straight into a safer play. This is one of the ways that I recommend you store your crypto in. All right, let's get into how to purchase crypto on exchanges. A little quick tutorial on how to purchase from Coinbase. So first thing you have to do is go into Coinbase, set up an account. You'll enter in all your passwords and the basic steps to set up any type of account from anywhere. Just the general stuff that they ask for. Once you've done that, you'll link up your payment account or bank account, or however you want to set up your payment methods to be able to purchase automatically through Coinbase. Once you do that, you'll be able to come to the home page, and what you can start doing is searching for an asset. So you could type in the search bar to look for an asset, Coinbase, based out of the US. So obviously anything regulated that is not within standards of the US will not be available for purchasing on here. For example, we'll look at, and generally depending on where you're at, like, so if you're in another country utilizing Coinbase, obviously you could go in and buy some of those tokens that people in the United States can't buy. I'm so jealous of you, but hey, it is what it is. That's what it is. So for example, let's go to XRP. We know that right now the SEC's got a hold on XRP, so it's obviously may not allow us to buy it. So we're gonna see if we had clicked on XRP and see what happens, because we want to try to buy this asset. All right, so XRP gives you the current market price. Looking at its all-time high, we could go in here and say, hey, right now we're sitting at 46 cents. And what is the all-time high on that one? So $3 and I guess 302. So in my mind, let me think about this real quick. So I know how powerful XRP is. I know it's a great coin. I know it's got a $23 billion market cap. Volumes is almost half a billion dollars. Yes, $500 million. 536 million. Circulating supply is only 52% left of the total supply. Gee, that looks like a damn good coin to buy, and it's sitting at 40 cents, all-time high at $3. That's a quite a big return on investment if we could hit that all-time high again. Oh, not tradable in your region. Jeez, United States. Well, that's a bummer, but if you guys could figure out a way how to buy XRP, I would go and do that. So let's look at Pepe, this funky green frog coin. Can we buy that? You mean we could buy this funky green frog coin that's got a $628 million market cap, $240 million volume, with 391 trillion circulating supply? Damn, that's a huge circulating supply. Let's go look at its all-time high. What is it? 4 zeros, 5 zeros, and a 1. And what's our current price? 5 zeros and a 1. The all-time was 1, 2, 5, and a 3. So literally a 2x up. Yeah, I wouldn't buy it. Shitty coin. But anyways, maybe in the future. I don't know. We'll see. Alrighty, so all I would necessarily have to do is go in here and say, okay, well, I want to buy this coin right here. So let me go ahead and click on that. And what it's going to do is give me a buy sell right here. Go ahead. Actually, you could click the buy sell button. Select the coin that you want, right? So we'll go Cardano. So you know what's pretty cool? The way this is actually set up, it's pretty cool because you could add any of your like bank accounts to purchase, or you could buy with USD coin, anything like that. So you just go in and select which payment method you'd want to use, and then go ahead and enter the amount. I would say $150. And then what you would do is actually pay with whatever you're going to pick, and then you could actually preview your buy, and then it will give you the option to invest weekly. And this is super cool because this is a twofold deal. When you buy Cardano, right, you buy ADA, you have an option to invest weekly. That gives you your dollar cost averaging, so you could actually go back, set this up and put a lower value to automatically come out every week or every 2 weeks, or whatever way you set that up. And then the second fold on it is that leaving it here while you're doing your dollar cost averaging or investing weekly, you get a 2% APY. So 2% return on coins earnings on purchasing through Coinbase, which is pretty cool. All right, super easy, right? So once you would go and get your assets, so you could actually go and take your assets and hit the send button, and then inside your Trust Wallet or your MetaMask that we talked about, you just enter in your information and you would send that directly to your MetaMask or your Trust Wallet, and pretty much that's how you purchase crypto through an exchange. Just in case you guys didn't know, this is for you new investors. All right, since we're here on Coinbase, I'll go ahead and cover a couple of their I guess functionalities that they have. So if you hit the trade button, it actually will take you to the trading platform where you could actually go in and look at some of their trading pairs that they have, and do some trading while you're here. You could sign up for their advanced trading. All right, so that would take you. So basically, what you do on your advanced trading is you click on here, and then I think it was Coinbase Pro. It used to be called Coinbase Pro for a while, but looks like they changed it up. Haven't been on here. Like I said, I usually use KuCoin or Bitmart or Binance US or Albank. Albank's cool because it has those like the newer coins or those smaller cap coins that just come out, and then you could transfer those and put those into any wallet that supports those types of currencies or coins. All right, so if you click on this button right here, this will scroll down. This actually gives you trading pairs, and if you're not familiar with trading pairs, that is trading from one pair to another. So actually, to trade, you'd want to buy USD, or you could buy Tether or any stable coin and trade it against whatever crypto coin that you're looking at that you think is going to do something. Looks like the market is red today with a couple of inverse finance always against the market, right? And what I mean by that is that this inverse right here is when the market's red, this thing's always green. Once you're able to realize those coins that are always green when the markets are red, that's kind of a little trend that you want to kind of get yourself into understanding and knowing. All right, so I'll keep it simple. I'll stop it right there, guys. If you guys got any questions, leave it in the comments. If you love this video, again, like, subscribe. We got good content. I'm just a real down-to-earth person, and yeah, this ain't no script, so there's a lot of mistakes and a lot of bloopers in my videos, but hey, I just try to keep it real. All right, guys. Hey, thank you for watching. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Again, come on, show me some love. At minimum, hit that like button. And you know what? If you want to see more content coming out, just hit that subscribe. All right. Thank you. And y'all stay blessed. Take care.